In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a bass house drop like Knock2 did in these tracks. Including these elements.
On my business, as I said, I just stepped up.
So we're gonna start off with a vocal. Let's open up the new bass house pack. Go to vocals and pick one from the pack. Let's use this one. Just drop it in FL Studio. We are working quite a high BPM, so we're gonna fit it to the tempo. Sounding like this.
On my business, as I said, I just stepped up.
The vocal is in B minor right now, but I want to work in A minor. Let's pitch it down to semitones.
On my business, as I said, I just stepped up. I'm just tired of them saying
Yeah,
you
that's a better vibe as well. Then we're gonna mix it. First, let's compress it with the RFox.
On my business, as I said, I just stepped up.
Then clean it up a little bit.
On my business, as I said, I just stepped up. I'm just tired of them saying you are next up.
And to finish it off, some
On my
delay
business, as I said,
and reverb.
on my business, as I said, I just stepped up.
Now we're gonna cut the vocal to use in the drop.
Patch up.
We're gonna cut out this part to use as pre-drop. So place it right here,
Patch up.
and then the full one after 8 bars.
Sleeping on my shit, nigga, cause you sleeping on my shit, nigga, catch up.
Just like this. So that's it for the vocal. Now we're gonna dive into the typical A parts of the drop, right here. So let's edit a new Serum. And pick a preset from the bass house pack. We'll be using this typical Knock2 kind of style bass. Then we're gonna dive into MIDI. As I said, we are working in A minor. The first hit of the kick will be a wobble sound, which we're gonna add later on. Then I want to start off with a triplet rhythm. It's really common in bass house to use somewhere in a melody a triplet rhythm. So let's start off with this. Then switch back to the normal rhythm. Just like this. Duplicate it and go up to the distant notes to add some more energy to it. Then we're gonna duplicate it and finish the melody just like this. So now we're gonna mix it. Then I just added in a new Serum. And pick another preset from the pack. This will be our step sound at the start of the drop. So just place it at a root note. Sounding like this.
Catch up.
Then we're gonna add in a sub bass to cover the low end of the bass sounds. So just add in a new Serum. Copy over the MIDI. And make a bass preset from the pack. Just like this. Then we're gonna make it a little bit more interesting by automating the lead sound. So add an end a smile to it.
Catch up.
Just like this. So create an animation clip. Let it open up. Like this. And drop in the sub after 2 bars. So the A part sounds like this.
Catch up.
Now we're gonna dive in the B part of the drop. This will be really different than the first part. So again, edit a new Serum. And pick a preset from the pack. We'll be using this one. And drop it in at a root note. And keep it stable for like 2 bars. Sounding like this. So now we're gonna mix it. Then it's time to add another sub bass to it. So I added in a new Serum. We'll be using this bass sound. Create a MIDI starting on a root note. just like this, and repeat it then. Duplicate it and make some variations to it. So let's end the first part of the melody on the dissonant notes again. And finish it just like this, ending on the 7th note of the scale. And then to create some room for the lead sound, we're gonna roll off the high end. Just like this. So together it sounds like this.
Cause you're sleeping on my shit, nigga, catch up.
Which is dope, but we're gonna make it a little bit more interesting with a Reese fill. So pick a new preset from the pack. We'll be using this Neuro kind of bass Reese. Something like this. Let's start on the root notes, then create overlapping notes to create a glide effect up to the dissonant, and then go up 2 octaves, something like this. So in the track it sounds like this.
Cause you're sleeping on my shit, nigga, catch up.
And then to finish it off, I want to add some laser sounds to it. So let's pick these square lasers. And again, create a triplet rhythm for some variation. Just like this. And we can spam this one all over the drop. Just like this.
Cause you're sleeping on my shit, nigga, catch up.
Really fills it up some more. So that's it for the synths of the drop. Now we're gonna dive in the drums. Let's start off with a kick drum. Let's use this one and draw it in at every beat. And add a double kick right here. Then we're gonna add in the clap. The open hats as well. The closed hat. Place it right before and after the second and get it slightly off the grid. Already got a bounce in there. Let's drop in the snare drum right here. So that's the basics of the drums. Now we're gonna add in the Serum. Just like this. And lower down the volume a bit. Just to get it ready in the back end of the mix. Then I found this chant loop on Splice. I just sped it up. Something like this. So add some more energy to it. And then a white noise to finish it off. And of course a 99 crash. Something like this. So let's arrange the drums. Just like this. And of course copy over the synth elements as well. And then to finish off the track, I added some more elements to the breakdown. With a kick, Reese bass, third up loop, ambience, and a short uplifter, and a low-cut animation on the master channel to get rid of the low end in the breakdown. So that's it for the Knock2 style track. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it in the comments as well. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Cause you're sleeping on my shit, nigga, catch up. Catch up.